I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream because today in the Bite Me More kitchen we are going a la mode.
We're gonna start with a simple vanilla ice cream. So we have 3/4 of a cup.
She said I'm not allowed to tell facts, but vanilla is the #1 flavor.
Okay, we have 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of whole milk.
So this is light.
This is very light, but
Light and
tasty.
creamy.
1/3 of a cup of sugar.
No, not in there.
No, first we just whisk it up. And
Oh my God.
you okay there?
Yeah, it was just jiggling a lot.
Okay. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna whisk this up. You just have to whisk it to dissolve the
Why doesn't yours
sugar.
jiggle?
I'm wearing a sweater, okay? And it's as simple as we're going to pour the mixture right into the container here. Put the lid on.
Do you like that she trusts me to do that?
Yeah, that was a big job, wasn't it? And push hard, and it will run for about an hour and a half, and we will have creamy, delicious ice cream coming up. While the ice cream is churning, we're going to make a birthday cake bark.
Because every day is my birthday in the Bite Me kitchen when this one's in charge.
Okay, we have 3 cups of white chocolate melted.
You've melted that where?
Again with this. I melted it with my breath. To that, we're going to stir in 15 golden Oreos or any sort of sandwich cookie. I knew you were gonna eat that. So that gets stirred in. We have a 1/4 cup of vanilla cake mix.
Like just packaged cake mix?
Yeah, anything you have, but keep it vanilla will taste the best. And 1/2 cup of sprinkles. We're gonna use just kind of 1/2 of them, and then we're gonna put more on top. So this gets stirred up. We're gonna put it on a baking sheet. It's gonna go in the fridge, and
The fridge or the freezer?
you can do either. Okay, so you place it onto your baking
I'll
sheet.
hold this for you.
Thank you. You're doing a great job. You're super helpful, as always. And
Wonderful.
we will finish it with the sprinkles. Okay?
Yeah.
And let's check on our ice cream. It's smooth, creamy, delicious. As you can see, Julie has dove into the ice cream.
50 licks to finish the average scoop. I'm on number 4, 5, 6.
Are we gonna be here a long time?
Oh wow.